Leave all the bond conditions as is. I'm gonna change the $20,000, 10% to $20,000 personal. That means you're giving me a $20,000 IOU. If you screw up on bond, you're going back to jail. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $20,000 if you screw up?
Yes, sir.
So stay out of trouble, show up for court. You're not going to be released without a GPS tether for location. That'll be house arrest, basically.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
I'm coming in, Judge.
Yep. I'll come with you. And that way I can have.
Sorry about that, guys. The mics are just crap this week.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Now you can make your arguments.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Taggett is currently in Wayne County Jail. He's got a $20,000 10% bond here. The government in from the Third Circuit. With that now, it's the judge on the COT. We anticipate that we will be able to resolve all these matters either by prevailing here or resolving in the Third Circuit. He resides at the same address and he's got the same phone number. His parents live there. He was gainfully employed and is clearly arrested on this. If he's out, he could resume his gainful employment. Obviously, that would help him satisfy conditions of probation as well. We completed this judgment. We asked for a personal bond, maybe $50,000. We have the tether conditions, all of that. Even house arrest outside of work. And anything that would give Mr. Taggett an opportunity to get out.
Thank you. On behalf of the people.
Thank you, Your Honor. Stephen Kaplan on behalf of the people. Your Honor, I've had a chance to review his criminal history, and it's not substantial in terms of the gravity of the case. It's the number of cases which might be concerning. He gained the benefit of usable training status long ago, and he's continuing to commit crimes, mainly misdemeanors like assault and battery, Judge. Our case is concerning because it's a fleeing and eluding. Your Honor, have been a judge for many, many years, knows that can be a dangerous crime. So we would leave the issue to some discussion.
Mr. Tackett, where were you working before you were incarcerated?
I was working for Chrysler. So it was the Stellantis.
How long had you been there?
A year and a half.
All right. All right, I'm going to leave all the bond conditions as is. I'm going to change the $20,000, 10% to $20,000 personal. That means you're giving me a $20,000 IOU. If you screw up on bond, you're going back to jail. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $20,000 if you screw up?
Yes, sir.
So stay out of trouble, show up for court. You're not going to be released without a GPS tether for location. That'll be house arrest, basically.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any clarification necessary?
As long as you can leave the house to go to work, Your Honor.
That's what I have in mind. Okay. All right. Good luck, sir.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Clark.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Switch to Clark.
Mr. Tackett, if you could tell the deputy we're ready for Mr. Clark, please. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll let Mr. Riggins know.
That would be helpful. Thank you. Joe, I got two plea agreements. I have no idea if they're attorney or not. No name. McKinney?
McKinney is on Zoom and the attorney's on.
Who's the attorney for McKinney?
They're in a breakout. Forget it.
How about Evanoff? Evanoff? Counsel, your current appearance?
Was on the court guard saying, 7.99 to bring on the witness, who's present to my right, please say your name for the record. Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to meet speak with this matter, my client, attempted to try and obtain a psychiatric evaluation as per the court order that was entered by Judge Martin on this matter. My client was unable to do so without a copy of the court order. So prosecutor and I had agreed to adjourn this to one final pretrial conference in order to allow my client to comply with the judge.
Okay, so this isn't final pretrial where a complainant needs to show up. It's just, okay. How much time you want? Any Tuesday works for us.
You said any Tuesday?
Yep.
How about the evening, August?
Yep.
Judge Patton. It'll be on Zoom.
With what, Judge?
Judge Patton, we'll get you notice in just a minute.
Have a great day, though.
You as well.
Thank you.
Okay, looks like, McKinney is out with his attorney.
Are we ready on McKinney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, I understand we're just going to adjourn this for 2 weeks.
Yes, there was some video discovery that was just tendered, and I proposed a resolution to Mr. Muhammad that he's considered.
Go ahead and put your appearance on.
May it please the court, Your Honor, my name is Adam Clements. My P number is 77233. I appear on behalf of Mr. McKinney, who's also present, Judge.
Counsel, how about August 11th at 10:30 by Zoom?
Make it work, Judge. That's fine.
Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. McKinney, you owe us money on some other files. You know about that?
No, I do not. I just know that
All right,
Lisa,
I got a 2022 speeding ticket from Romulus. 2022 Romulus impeding traffic, 2022 Romulus improper passing, 22 Romulus stop sign, and 22 Romulus DWLS. Oh, the DWLS is coming up for a court date on September 11. So the first 4 civil infractions total $1,048. Are you working?
no, I can't work. I can't work.
When's the last time you worked?
It's been a while.
Tells me nothing.
It's been quite a while since I worked. I got shot a couple years ago. I haven't been able to work.
So it's
then.
been 3 years or more?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You're a local guy. I've got you on Harrison.
Yes.
Appear at the court this week. Make arrangements to close these out. We got options that don't take money, but we got to have you step up to the plate and take care of them.
Okay.
All right, thank you, counsel.
You.
All right. Thank you, Adam.
Have a good day, Mr. McKinney.
You too.
Somebody called you, sir, this morning? You see her comment?
Yeah.
So Leanne, what's it mean if they call me ma'am? We'll see what she says to that. Thank you. Judge did get a haircut yesterday. Thanks for noticing.
Switch this over so I can post emails.
Actually, we have started getting eggs, Jody.
Okay, it's 10,000, 10%. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll send it down. Effort is in the form, you will clarify.
Mhm.
And then saying,
Saying?
that Attorney Hill is in with Mohammed. They're done with what in a client, when I understand it's very difficult, it doesn't. Quiet,
Who's that?
then. And then I'm gonna forward some emails.
You know why I adjourned this? Was this the one with a kid? She got upset when I told her I had to have an order? Is this the same one?
No, that girl sent in her orders.
Well, that's right.
The client that don't.
Oh, I adjourned this because Mohammed wanted time to look into it.
Yes, and now he has no problem with it, so they just need to bring the girl in. I'm gonna send you emails on this person right here. I
Mhm.
think she's a sovereign, she refuses to come in person, and I'm gonna send you the emails that we've been getting.
So
She
she's trying to
emailed
get in,
late yesterday and
trying to
wanted,
get in Zoom?
late yesterday, she wanted Zoom.
Yeah, she hasn't tried to get in.
She has not,
Okay.
but, she emailed for Zoom. I did not answer it. You weren't here and it was late in the
Yeah.
day. And so then she emailed again today and was rambling.
Okay.
So I'm gonna send it.
That's fine. Hey, is there an Asia McKay out there? Call the name. If there is, send her in. Are you Miss McKay? Come on up. You filed all your paperwork or to get some stuff set aside? Did you bring an order?
Did I bring the order like set aside itself?
Yeah, an order for me to sign. Do you have the order that I need to sign? Because I don't draft orders.
I put it in the court a month ago, and I gave it to the court, yes.
Was the order part of what you filed?
Yes. It's like the application for the set aside.
The application isn't the order.
That's what they told me to go online.
I know. I just had this problem a month ago with another young lady. All right, so the good news is the prosecutor's not objecting to what you want. The bad news is it can't happen until I sign an order.
How do I get an order from someone else?
It's a form you got to fill out, just like the form you fill out to start this. It's a form you fill out and you fill it all out and then I sign it and date it. All right? No, I mean, I'm here, so it's no big deal for me. Just means you got to come back again. Or you can email it to us.
Attorney, I'm doing this.
No, please, hold myself.
Okay, well then you need to research. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah. We're going to help you out with an email address so you don't have to come back.
Yeah, if you downstairs, the downstairs contact us, she can email it to them.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yep.
Yeah, Leon said, I'm gonna set up a spot outside the courtroom and charge money back door. Mom needs an assistant.
What?
Court mom needs an assistant.
Talking to Joe. But you don't see me slow, I get stacked because then I have this to do and that to do.
So one of our guys is catching crappie and watching live stream.
Enough, he's going home to clean them. I haven't had crappie in so long.
Mr. Hill, are you ready with your client?
We are.
Counsel, let me have your appearance for Ms. Zhang.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of Ms. Sang.
And what are we doing?
Judge, I believe this is an arraignment. We'll read form reading, stand mute. I'd ask the court to enter a not guilty plea. I would also ask Judge to set this for a new date so I can talk to the prosecutor. I will address bond. And I would ask for a Mandarin interpreter. I think for today's purposes for arraignment, my client understands what's going on, but I would make that request.
All right, well, if we're gonna talk bond, I gotta get a prosecutor in here.
Okay, no problem.
No, because, well, yeah, it'll probably work now. Try it. Because there's nobody in the courtroom talking. Counsel, pretrial date, 1 week out, 2 weeks out, what are you thinking?
2 weeks if you could, please.
We can.
August 11th at 10:30.
Who's that with?
Judge Mark.
August 11th, 10:30 with Judge Martin on Zoom.
Thank you.
August the 11th.
No, Ms. Zeng, no, don't say anything
Mr.
yet,
Mohammed,
okay?
are you there?
Okay.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. I'm sorry, I was speaking to counsel.
No problem. Counsel wants to make an argument on bond for Ms. Zhang. She's been arraigned today. The bond recommendation from the department has no objections to a personal bond, and let me confirm, I don't think they had any requests for special conditions. No request for special conditions.
I'm sorry, Judge, could I have 2 minutes to review the file?
Sure.
Thank you.
He has a way of sending her a notice of look here. Because the address that we're using is an Airbnb
Ah,
and she lives in China.
the Berkeley address is Airbnb. All right, counsel. Heather's informed me that the Berkeley Avenue address we have for Ms. Zhang is an Airbnb. Does that
That's
work if
correct.
we mail her a notice?
No, it'd have to be sent to my office if the court would allow that. She's back in China
No
and her
problem.
visa's been revoked as well, Judge. So that's the issue we have.
Yeah, no problem. We'll mail it to you.
Okay.
August 11th, 8:45 when we figured it out. You know, sections are on at 8:45 now.
All right, counsel, we've changed the time, August 11, 8:45.
No problem.
Mr. Kaplan, are you here to talk about bond for Zhang?
Yes, Your Honor.
So she's actually back in China. Counsel, Mr. Hill has informed me that her visa has been revoked. Do you have any objection to a personal bond?
No, Your Honor. Not on
All
the,
right, we've got her scheduled for another pretrial on August 11 at 8:45 in the AM with Judge Martin.
all right, thank you, Your Honor.
Will you make a note about the translator?
Yep.
All right, counsel, I just set her on $1,000 personal bond and we'll have a Mandarin translator here next time around.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Judge.
Have a good day.
Take care.
What do you got?
Randy Toombs, Your Honor.
Toombs, T-O-O?
I have it right here, Judge, where, he was supposed to come in with, his calendar.
It's August 11th.
I don't know. Okay. I can just.
August 11th, I have 10 a.m.
Sounds great.
All right, I will get Mr. Toombs a notice, and this is gonna be Mr. Lamb that handles it, or is it? All right, I will get Mr. Toombs a notice if he can get out.
I'm just gonna keep him saying, oh. He was saying, Heather. Yeah.
Do you have another one, or?
One that you actually.
That's
it.
Okay, yep, so we're good. Mr. Riggins will be on Mr. I will bring.
Thanks, Jim. All right. So remember, this is this.
We went to the property outside, it's just fine.
On which file, counsel? Mr. Clark?
Yes,
You're all right, Mr. Clark. We're just waiting till we get all the attorneys in the room.
okay.
Mr. Mohammed. Yeah, we gotta have him in person though. Counsel, what are we gonna do today?
Mr. Lucky's anyways.
Oh, it is? Oh, great. All right. We've currently got an exam scheduled next week. Does that work for you? On the 4th at 1 p.m.? All right, so let's just leave the exam as is and talk about bond. Mr. Lucky, this is your file? All right, so currently bond is 100,000, 10%, no contact, no release without GPS tether. We agreed? That's what the ROA says? All right, go ahead. Hold on, did you put your appearance on? Did I get that? Go ahead.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. I need to give the services by Ken Riggins, P82125. I have this Kevin Parks will appear via Zoom.
You can hear us all right, Mr. Riggins?
I
Mr.
can't
Clark,
really
you can
hear.
us all?
No, not that good.
Okay, so far all I've got is the attorney's names on the record.
Okay.
And the fact that your exam is going to be next Tuesday at 1 p.m. You got that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm having a lot of trouble with my courtroom audio this week, so I'll try to translate. If you can't hear, I'll let you know what we're saying.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Mr. Riggins.
The top charge in this case is a junior felony. It is a two-solid position instructing. I haven't done the guidelines. I imagine the guidelines would be very well, possibly probational. He is a half for, I will not that deep. There is a weapon firearm that's got busted on in 2025. He's already served time on that. Other than that, you know, this is not a case where I can see how a $100,000 bond is because I do know there are allegations of a former girlfriend, but I know this charge never came for it because she said that didn't happen. He did never have a gun. He never held her cat. You know, based off of what I see, my client was. This was argument that that came out again, and next thing you know, there was a bunch of SWAT cars at this house. Client became scared, did not want to come out south because there was guns pointed at them. But nevertheless, yeah, my client does not have to play for fear history. My client has family and community time. He was working prior to this. He was working for a bottle manufacturer. Unfortunately, he does not remember the name of the bottle manufacturer. He intends to get out and go back to work as soon as he gets out. Yeah. There's a health provision. My client has no reason to be the ex-girlfriend. He's just asking that he can give him a personal bond where he can go stay with his family and appear in court and fight the state.
Mr. Lucky.
At this argument in front of the mark and set the original bond. At that time, we laid out the facts that he was a threat to police presence that was there. He stated, on so they the effect that I'll shoot any paycheck. I'm sitting here, threatening lives of officers to the point where they had to call the SWAT. And so 2 hours later, SWAT took the scene. Another hour and a half after that. This negotiation, the complaining, one of the complaints, the penal complaining witness, the incident partner, came out after that time, and then after a month of time later, the defendant came out. Now, this caused the rounding split of the police department and Western Wayne County SWAT total of about 6 hours. 6+ hours in order to effectuate his coming out. He did threaten to shoot officers, and there's camera footage that the news picked up of him almost like grappling with SWAT as if being taken out of the building, wrapping his legs around one of their heads, pulling them down. He came to anger police to community list of police officers. We also do believe something when this is afraid before. I mean, I've been unable to contact her. From this police unable to contact her. It's a very fearful situation that we're all in. So therefore, Your Honor, because of the Atlantic machine circumstances, the Atlantic machine facts that we have on the record, I think the bond is appropriate.
Yeah, go ahead.
He said something about they checked the house. There were no weapons. There were no guns. The girlfriend said there were no weapons. And this isn't where she was with him and looking at him and said, oh, I better say the right thing. They had her in a car with the police, talking to the police freely. She said, nope, he never told me I could not leave. Nope, he never had a weapon. So I understand that there may have been some talk back and forth with police. He may have said that. He never had a weapon. He never threatened her. She came out and said, she's not here because I looked at the body cam footage. It is very clear she did not want to move forward with the case. So much so, she thought they were crushing her. She told them, I need to talk to my own attorney. So I think it's a little disingenuous to say that she feels threatened when she was really annoyed. But nevertheless, Your Honor, again, the top charge here is a 2-year felony. I don't think that it's appropriate to have a $100,000 bond based off a 2-year felony. Again, this man is working. He wants to, I mean, he has a story he wants to tell.
Anything else?
So, you know, I did read the part of the transcription of the hostage user as well as that body camera search. She does say that he physically kept her in the room, physically locked her in, was pushing her inside the room, held up a sign that said help. Whereas the police officers came in recover, and she was at one point the negotiator does, you know, after the 3.5 hour mark, she does refuse to come out, saying he's the one. But she does say during those 3.5 hours that she was kept in the room, forced there, all afraid to come out, and eventually had to sneak out and live to the bathroom or another. So I don't think it's disingenuous at all, but I'll leave it. And again, there's no facts here that are linked to what the bond was set at, so I think the bond is appropriate here.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. No doubt, 100,000, 10% is a pretty high bond on this, but we usually don't have SWAT involved on these types of cases either. I'm gonna leave the bond as is. It's only 1 week. Thank you, gentlemen. Are we done or we got somebody else to jail?
And this is for Tuesday?
Mr. Clark, yeah, I'm leaving your bond as is. Your court date, next court date is next Tuesday at 1 p.m. When you talk to the deputy, would you tell them we're ready for Mr. Slade, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Asked not to get on in custody and play at 9:30, please.
Oh.
Trees and stuff, okay, yeah. PVC original wood.
Lieutenant Smith, please. Good. So that number you've got is now my wife's cell number. Yeah, that was my home number 4 years ago. So that's all right. That's all right. Did this one just come up on your phone? All right, yeah, this is my cell. So what do you got? Oh, shit. Yep, yep. Okay. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Shouldn't be a problem. As long as, do you know if he's got his own attorney? All right, so as soon as that's gonna be our problem. So as soon as you have an idea when you're gonna have the paperwork to us, who should they call about an after hours arraignment downstairs? Marlisa? Contact Marlisa and let her know, and she can start trying to find us an attorney, because if it's gonna be after 11, we gotta have an attorney lined up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. So just give us a heads up as soon as you have an idea when the paperwork's gonna be ready. All right, all right, okay, bye-bye. They got a CSC in custody that Patricia's got the paperwork right now, but they don't think it's gonna happen in the next hour or so. So would you gonna promise to just kind of,
Yes, Marlisa, she heard you. She's.
oh, Marlise, are you there?
Yes.
So I just talked to Huron Township. They've got an in custody felony arraignment that they want to do because the guy's got a bunch of medical issues. They want to get him out of their holding. So Patricia Mandernack has the paperwork. They're sure it's coming today, but they're not going to get it in the next hour. So can you kind of just float the idea with MIDC? Can we get somebody available this afternoon if we need them?
I'll contact Mr. Starr and see if he'll be available, and then if not, then I'll contact the MI regional.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, oh, mine, I gotta make a hotel reservation Monday. I can't make it till Monday. Is it Reed, the name? Counsel, your parents?
Good morning, my name is Sally, with the service, I didn't bring it 125, I'm happy to sell it, we can take your record.
Yeah, Father Reed.
Thank you. Go ahead, Counsel.
Basically, for PCC, I do understand that there was a PCC. Obviously, we know that these are extraordinary circumstances. There are certain things going on with my office. I have a chance to go over everything. I know
Okay.
my file that said that there was digital discovery. I have not seen digital discovery. Mr. Connie sent a copy over today, which I was reviewed by Ms. Reed. It was also an offer in my file.
Yeah. You had me at hello. Lot to digest. 2-week adjournment.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Miss Reed, we're gonna get you notice on that, but let's talk money. Says here you owe us money on an impeding traffic from 2022. Did you know that? All right. Can you make some arrangements on it? Can you do something before you leave? Okay.
You're staying on this case, or is Mr. Land staying?
Mr. Land on, but if he's not here, we know in a week, I will probably be back.
Okay, it's gonna be 2 weeks, it's August 11th. I have 10:45 and it'll be by Zoom.
Just wait about this one.
Be with Judge Martin, and I will hand you a notice with, the Zoom information. Yeah. I'll make your copy of them.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. They have one friend. But all of them are, so. Hey, guys.
I just.
Same information, you guys are all set.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
So it'll get wrong. Yeah. What's this gentleman waiting for?
He's with Ann Wesley. Actually, he's AP.
I got you. What's your name? I'm gonna pull your file. I got you. Fourth, that's unusual. Is that a family name?
Amazingly, usually everybody.
You did all right. Judge Wilman. Fill that even on the back.
Who do you want me to scratch while I'm here? Fuller, F-U-L? Go.
Yeah. Ms. McKay was able to go get the order.
How?
She got next door, probably printed it.
Well, to the library. Good for her.
What's the name on this? Oh, I see it now. Oh,
Well, I've got two ready to go. Fuller, who we're waiting for the attorney, and Dickerson, we're waiting for the attorney. So if you want to start this going on Fuller.
place that one for 11.
Yeah. You gotta love Kaplan giving you all the MCLs.
Yes.
Is that use of coke?
Ecstasy.
Mr. Fuller? Oh, damn it. Why are you in here? I don't have paperwork for you. Are you on Morgan? Okay. Okay. Who you got?
December 11/15, Al-Fadi.
Thanks. So they're gonna add account? Is that what they're doing? All right, and you have authority to do that?
Yes, sir.
Your appearance?
Good morning, Nicholas, 6616, apparently have defendant to stand on Friday, and then I full authority to enter into the agreement. Or, excuse me, responsible to add account to a repeating traffic, count one will be dismissed.
All right, I'll accept the plea on his behalf. Fines the cost $290. How much time do you to get his money in? $14th, plenty of time. All right, you're all set. Have a great day. Oh, counsel. He's got a bond posted. Don't worry about it.
With the bond 290?
Yep. You're all in. Thanks. So that's full. What was your name again? I want to pull your file. Morgan.
I've got the traffic stuff that I'll try to take care of, but then you can do that all at one time, so it's not come back up, do you mind?
Nope, let me see what you got. Can you pass, Boss Morgan? Yeah, we got a speeding ticket and a traffic control device, total 545.
So I tried to, call the board a few times. To get I was just wondering if I could anyway talk to the prosecutor to see if I could take in a meeting on one of them, and then the less than 5 I'll just pay. Just, you know,
Probably not, because they're old.
well, just, yeah, they're honest, that was, the issue with my laptop, I have your relationship, and I was on a state work, every time I call, try to speak to someone, they say, oh, you don't have anything. And then, you know, it turns out I do have stuff, and I do have that stuff, but it was just,
All
they
right,
kept telling me to come to before.
let's see what the computer tells us. All right, the Sumter one is from 2024. That one's way too old. What can you do on the $294 for Sumter?
Yeah, pretty much have to go out and plan with the, with the board.
Oh, you got a payment due August 10th. All right.
Yeah. Set aside the default on that one. And just set it for a formal hearing.
So what we'll do is we'll set aside the default, set it for a formal hearing. That way you can come in, there'll be a prosecutor, you can talk to the prosecutor. No promises what the prosecutor will do, but it gives you a chance.
That's my father right there.
Yep.
Thank you.
And we'll get you a notice for that formal hearing before you get out of here.
Because I have to call one of the courtrooms in
Oh,
different days.
So we'll just mail it to him?
Yeah.
All right, we'll mail you a notice on that one. Counsel, you got anything ready?
Okay, so sorry, I can.
Pick one. All right, well, I've got Mr. Morgan's file on my podium, so come on up, Mr. Morgan.
Do you want to sit the podium there on the prosecution?
That's fine. I don't care. Appearances.
Morning, Your Honor. Yeah, 34696, hearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. David Moore.
Jury. May dates? We need a date for jury trial, correct?
That's correct.
All right, let's see what Heather can find.
Is August 31st too soon?
Yes, I work on a state, so some people that,
I'm sorry, Heather, the victim on this case is on Zoom. We bring committees from that date works with you as well.
Well, no, it doesn't work for me, Your Honor.
Okay, well, we're looking for another one. Mr. Nemeth, can you activate your mic?
October 1st.
What's the charge? Oh, something stupid. Yeah, let's try it. Mr. Nemeth.
Judge, advocate form.
Thank you. What's it? You got October 1?
The October 1st?
Counselors, are you available October 1?
Yes, sir.
Have to make it work.
Okay, so we'll confirm with Mr. Nemeth.
Red.
All right, Mr. Morgan, just have a seat for a minute. Mr. Dickerson, come on up. Counsel your appearance for Mr. Dickerson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
Morning, Your Honor, Leslie Knapp, 34696, comparing on behalf of the defendant, Mike Dickerson.
All right, I've got a plea agreement that says Mr. Dickerson's going to plead no contest to both count 1 and count 2, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. Count 3 will be dismissed. Both please should be assault taken under 771.1, and we further elevate sentence. 3 months probation, which mental health evaluation, treatment if recommended, and no contact with the complainant.
All right, Mr. Dickerson, do you understand your rights and the options those rights present to you today? Do you understand the possible penalty for assault and battery? Understanding that, are you pleading no contest? Do you understand that no contest? You're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting those charges. If I find a factual basis that supports the plea, from that point forward, it's going to be just like there was a guilty plea, there'll be a sentencing. Do you understand that? Guilty and not guilty and no contest meet at the same place. We're heading towards sentencing. Do you understand that? All right, I'm trying to explain something to me and you're talking to her. How's that going to work?
We do have a second complainant that I believe is on Zoom. It just occurred to me. Hussein, wait, Hussein. No, okay, yeah,
We do have Mr. Nicely, he's one of the victims here in the courtroom today.
Okay, which is great information, but doesn't help me take the plea.
What is-
Do you understand that no contest and guilty both lead to a sentencing?
Let me say this.
No, answer my damn question. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Okay, counsel, you can talk to him when I'm done with the next one. We're not doing this while I've got other things to do. He told me he doesn't understand, so obviously it needs some massaging. Did we get the victim on? Nemeth, are you there?
The victim advocate advised me that he did not answer the phone call, so we're prepared to proceed without.
All right, so Nemeth or Morgan is going to be October 1 at 8:30. We'll get paper notices to that effect.
Doing more. Wait right here. I need to pay.
I need attorneys. There is no afternoon docket this afternoon, Leanne, just that possible arraignment that's coming in. Which probably won't be me. Back on the record with Dickerson?
Jesus, I believe that we should be guilty.
Okay.
Custody should have a jury trial.
Okay.
Is September 17th. Don't go with October 1st. I know, I'm good. The vote on.
What was the date?
It's September 17th.
Well, we better check with Mohammed.
Mark Masaki, I'm sure I can do it.
Yes. Mohammed is, okay.
I don't know,
Yeah, they're bringing.
We're checking.
sorry.
No problem. That's why they pay me the big bucks. What's up, Joe?
Please make his live stream video.
Smile for the camera. It's the other Joe.
Good job.
No, Joe's is very confusing.
That's the one thing.
I'm the good Joe.
Mr. Mohammed, on the Michael Dickerson file, jury trial, September 17th.
Judge, is it possible to set it in October by chance?
Over, want to see the line?
That works.
Yeah, fine.
All right, October 29, 8:30 in the morning, bond is continued. Have a lovely day. Mr. Dickerson, have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Does anybody need help? You might want to double check.
Oh.
Sure.
Have a seat. You're good. Josh. Wow. Oh, no. So
He was doing, our.
oh, he was, okay. Are you good on those? We'll start. All right.
Was it Fuller?
I think that's.
Who's on? None, two.
I'm gonna go.
Mr. Riggins, what do you got? Hopkins?
Well, here's Leslie. I don't know where he's at.
I'm not finding the files.
Yeah. No, Hopkins is next door.
Oh, okay.
Sliders
Uh-huh.
is. It's custody, but as a violation of probation guarantee on Edward State Yard, so probably has an energy.
Right, Josh, I go in and talk, some system like that, they couldn't find him, they know that he had something at Third Circuit though, so. Yes. Yes, when you would be.
What is Joshua saying?
I did one for the eight. Is that good? I mean, should we ask Josh if he's in custody? I mean, is he in custody and us?
So he's in there for a probation violation.
Yeah, we had personal, okay, so 818, is it a final or just a regular?
Regular, I really haven't seen it yet.
Okay, so then I will let Josh know that, we'll reschedule that for Josh.
Do you remember Tim Ritz?
Yes.
Choked on a bag of Doritos in a group home and died.
You're lying.
No, Al just said he was at a graduation party this weekend with some of the Brooks family. I mean, you talk about a way to go.
Yeah.
At least he went eating something nice, I mean, compared
Well,
to
I
his
hope
life.
so. I hope you like Doritos.
Oh, my God.
Hmm?
He probably wasn't cute, it's like. Wow, that's sad.
Yeah, it is. Joe, did you know him?
Oh, yeah. I know. I privilege.
Huh.
Any examples on?
Well, it was one of
Facebook.
No, I mean, is he even here?
I don't.
Oh, I don't know.
always thought that.
So
I think it was.
It's not a secret.
I'm sorry?
It's not a secret.
They gave him coffee. Oh, my head.
We said it was gonna be
On the, I just lost sight.
very okay, so.
Cool. Sounds good. Thank you, Jake.
We might. Football, like kudos and flag, he walked on,
But you know what?
and he could just walk around.
He had moments of lucidity, though. Because every once in a while, I walk, like, run into town, you know, like walking. Now, I mean, sometimes he just, you know, he was in his own little world. Sometimes they'd see him and we'd actually have a conversation.
Keep that personal.
Like, how are you, Judge?
Put your name or just change them to NISP. Do you know what I mean? I mean, I already have you that day at 9:30.
I guess it would go to MIT.
That's why.
So just keep it at MIDC.
I mean, I'm fine taking, but they may say,
They bring him in this,
yeah.
if he's on his meds, he's okay.
Hey, look, I-
If he gets a-
Yep.
and then he's-
Yep, I will, I'll just put him
And
MIDC,
then-
but
I'm all set to go here too, if you guys are.
who is that?
It's Paul. Last name, sorry. Randall, thank you. Come on, Randall. That's how you missing out. I realize that will be about sold now. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Josh Hadley, being on behalf and with my client, Mr. Randall. Please say your claim to the record, sir. Ronzie Dixon Randall.
Thank you.
From where
You say that fast like it's one name. Ramsey Dixon. Go ahead.
We're good, Your Honor. I believe there was any warrants or recalls.
Nope.
We're essentially waiving the arraignment.
Easy peasy. Yeah, you're gonna plead.
Gonna be just
Yep.
open and talks, and he's gonna be being responsible for careless driving. Just need to get
Yeah.
it down, so.
That's the way you want to do it? All right, misdemeanor is dismissed. Fines and costs, $195. Go downstairs and pay it or make arrangements to get it paid. You're welcome so much. That's Mr. Ramsey Dixon Manuel.
So I think the last 3 or 4 will all come at the same time. I just need my.
We're here. We're here.
All Boone as a.
Boone?
Yes.
I got a victim online, I think. Oh, I saw somebody here. Oh, Miss Hyman. Hyman? I don't know how you say it. Charlotta,
Yes, Hyman.
good
Yes.
morning. Go ahead and activate your camera.
Good morning.
Mr. Lecky, your parents.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jake was my team coming out and half the people.
All right, we've got a file here set for a pretrial, I think, right? Okay, Mr. Boone was scheduled to be here at 9:30 this morning for a pretrial. It's now 10:56. He has not appeared, so we're gonna issue a show cause for him. You understand that, ma'am? Miss Hyman, you understand that?
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor,
sort of.
Oh, we can explain it after, but Your Honor, I just want to make a record that Clayton Woods has been here since 9:30, probably the third year. And has indicated that there are possible no contacts occurring. So we'll take that with me. Oh, and I do ask that she be excused if appropriate, the next trial will go.
All right, so making a note in the file that the defendant failed to appear today, but the complainant was on Zoom and she has no contact complaints. So ma'am, the next court date will be, well, let's put it this way. The next court date, he'll probably be arraigned on the bench warrant, but you will not have to appear until there's a trial date, if there's a trial date. Understood?
We'll talk. about that.
Yes, he did try to attempt to contact me.
Yeah, we'll talk about that, okay? But we can't talk about
We gotta
that.
talk loud into the mic.
So, we'll talk about that, we can't talk. So, we'll go ahead and throw this and talk about you, okay?
So it goes back down, that's all.
You have any questions, ma'am?
You said that he something about his contact far as me. Were you
Yeah.
saying that he did try to attempt contact with me?
No,
'Cause I
no, the
did
prosecutor
report that.
told me that there are some allegations that he may have tried to contact you. So the prosecutor will be talking to you about that at some later date. At this point, we're gonna send him a show cause, tell him he's got to show up here if he wants to avoid a bench warrant. Understood?
Okay, because I had proof on my phone and I sent
Okay,
it
the
to
prosecutor
Britt.
will talk to you about that. That today's not the date to talk about that.
Okay,
All right?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You too.
Have a lovely afternoon. All right, now I'm ready on none.
You as well.
You have my client, spray and none, for today's show laws on an old matter. It's done, they state your name on now. They state your name for the record. So, Your Honor, Ms. Nunn, essentially was unaware of this matter, still pending. I do see the court records indicate she had paid off the civil infraction that occurred at the same time as this traffic stop. We've seen those before where, yeah, nobody realizes they paid half of that to take care of the, So once she realized that this was still outstanding, she killed herself, came to court. Accordingly, she does have valid insurance in the vehicle that she drives now. So looking back to this 2020 case, the people are going to dismiss the misdemeanor charge of no insurance. And we're going to tender a responsible plea to civil infraction of failure to have insurance on person.
All right. Ms. Nunn, is that the way you want to resolve this today? I will accept your plea to the civil infraction. I will assess fines a cost of $180 and I will dismiss the misdemeanor. Can you pay the $180 today?
Yeah, how much?
Yeah, so she's with child, yeah.
Congratulations. Good luck. Go downstairs and make arrangements, talk about your options.
Just want to say something, not fall behind, because then they'll drag it back. So just be realistic with, set up, when we can pay off, gotta pay off.
Yeah.
Just, Yeah.
Yeah, and this one we can actually suspend your license if you don't pay it. So just keep on your payments. And if you're having trouble making your payments, don't just hope we're gonna forget about you because the computer won't forget. Come on in and talk again. You're welcome, man.
He's watching you the other valve.
What are you here for? El Sharif? What time is it scheduled?
11.
Oh, you just got here a little early. Okay. No, that's fine.
Judge, Heather,
Yes.
I received an email from Huron.
Yes.
telling me about the arraignment and
Yes.
the prosecutor's not gonna prove anything till after the meeting with Kids Talk, which is scheduled at 12:30 today.
So we'll do it in the morning.
So, okay, I'll see what time it comes through and then we can go from there.
Yeah, I mean, 'cause if that's the case, I can't see them getting paperwork to you much before 3 or 3:30.
Yeah, it says she'll approve the warrant after the Kids Talk, which is scheduled at 12:30 today.
We'll do what we can. I mean, if we get paperwork and we can find an attorney, we'll do it.
All right, that's what I'll reply.
I
to
already
her.
talked to Judge Patton because I got a dentist appointment this afternoon.
It's the day of the dentist. I have one too.
Yeah.
Thanks.
They're talking about me swearing again, and I don't remember swearing today.
Oh, yeah, you did tell somebody just put their ass down or do something like random, it wasn't. I'm still waiting on that, I'm just full over. It's probably out there with,
What am I doing with this?
that's, I have not this photo,
Oh,
I only have some.
yeah. When was the last docket slot?
10:45. Well, 11:50.
You got somebody?
11:30.
Yeah.
Who?
Peterson Brothers.
Counsel, your parents.
Kyle Hudson on behalf of the defendant, Peterson Brothers Company.
All right, and on behalf of the company, do you have authority to enter a plea? Are you entering that plea to the misload issued May 18, 26? That plea is responsible.
Yes, sir.
Fines would cost $450. Pay that today? Wonderful. Anything else? Good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We got
Mr. Eric Harrison. What, Mr. Harrison? All right.
There was a couple out there. I'm not sure exactly.
All right, Mr. Hadley, what do you got?
So you're right. We stand before the court, and reached a resolution that A, B, and C matter are all going to be original counts dismissed.
No, they're not.
He's pleading to the MP. What's the, what, hey, you write up from?
If I'm reading this correctly,
Second line, you say.
the file I've got today is a 2022 drove while license suspended. That's the A ticket. So that is 002A. The B on that was an impeding traffic.
No.
That's,
So you're looking at a 26 Van Buren case.
yeah. I don't even have the 2026 files up today. I've got one misdemeanor file from 2022, and we're not doing anything with civil infractions that are that old.
They're scheduled for August 13th at 11:30 with the overstay.
Which should be local prosecutor.
It's Van Buren.
Yeah,
So we just need to go back to the drawing board on this.
on this DWLS. Yep. Good news is I'll just keep it right there.
Yeah, and then you have that form.
Bless you, Joe.
So they're going to come back.
Yes, let's just, we'll go ahead and get this square. She doesn't.
I'm gonna call them.
As just.
Heather, can you call me again?
Yep.
So I.
I got a file here. I don't have a body. It's the Al Sharif. I don't have any bodies yet. But I have the file. Yeah. You go look for him?
Sure.
What is that doing?
Right, so. I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
One is the collective turn signal and the other one is defendant.
200
Which?
200 on both.
Remember. So hopefully, but in the meantime, I'll check out.
Yes.
Thank you.
And you got.
There's a traveling company for us. It's a long story. I'm gonna check my shower.
If he doesn't want a different time on August 24th. Where does his final? Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't speak your flower.
And I did good, yes.
I mean, yeah. Oh, okay. Yep, that's fine.
These towels.
You're saying yes to me? For sure, do.
Do you see where you changed the mind on this person? We took a surety
Well,
bond.
If I didn't write anything, that doesn't mean I didn't change the bond, but I'm usually pretty good.
10%. And then Andy changed it to 6250 because I posted surety and he's asking me, what do I put on the bindle?
25,000.
She just was questioning.
Yeah.
It says, it's because it continues, and she's like, did someone change it?
No, the 6250 is what the surety is of
Okay,
25,000.
She just wanted to make sure she was questioning.
Yeah, you keep the 25,000.
Okay, I absolutely. I couldn't wait. I get no.
On Al Sharif? Yeah, the offer was impeding traffic and the foul too close to get dismissed.
Getting ready to sign it and then the prosecutor pulled it.
Okay.
I don't know what to do.
So he changed his mind?
declined and said he's not allowed to offer it apparently.
Oh, because it's state police.
And I'm actually going to be requesting an adjournment because I'm uncomfortable with his demeanor right now.
Do you know if the trooper left?
No, he's here. And I asked if he's here.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm not adjourning it because you don't like the prosecutor's attitude.
No, it's just the way he's approaching me is just really disrespectful.
I'm still not adjourning it because there's a personality conflict.
And that's okay, I understand that.
But I've got a gap in my schedule. Let's hold it.
I'm ready.
Yeah, have a seat.
Yeah.
Have a seat. Oh, I'll send for him. Just have a seat. Go get Mohammed. Dismiss count one. Yeah, now that makes sense. All right. So did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yeah.
You understand your rights and the options they present to you? Ladies? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of it, are you pleading guilty to the added charge?
That'd be the allowing.
Yeah, okay. That's all right. And you're doing so freely and voluntarily, is that correct? All right. Did you drive a vehicle on the date of November 2nd, 2022 in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
And on that day, was your license either suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge. I will dismiss the original charge. And
We print obviously for when we're back with Van Buren and the other matters.
Yeah.
You're not, the whole purpose of where we're going with this case, so we can get valid, not have to, continue to go through the steps. We just ask the court to impose, fines, costs, and, welcome him back to that next one, Van Buren.
Okay. All right, Mr. Harrison, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Yeah, well,
How long you been with him? Okay. And how close is he?
any other, I think it was just this court, we have one other court to go to that.
I believe this is one, I have,
Do you have anything he owes us?
This all that, yeah, I mean, they said, Van Buren gets in the left.
Insurance hasn't suspended.
Yeah, so in our court, it's the no proof of insurance from 2018 that's holding you up.
Hey,
Yeah.
so once the, I'm not here.
Here, Van Buren Township. So shows us you owe $194 on that one. And from my reading of this, I'm 90% sure you clear that and we're not stopping you from getting a license, even though you got all these other pending files. So can you pay the $194 today?
I'll pay it right, guaranteed. I can guarantee or.
Yep.
Don't mind.
You're all. It's better coming in here. It'll be, you do it here, it gets done immediately.
Yes. 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Hey, though, right, then you can go to the Secretary of State the following Monday. Okay, awesome. I believe he's not, there's no warrant on the Van Buren cases that I got the dates confused on, right? That's.
Looks like they're all coming up for court dates, so there shouldn't be any warrants. All right. All right, anything else before I sentence?
No, sir, just that he's, staying active and getting this thing, wrapped up.
Okay. All right, Mr. Harrison, on this file, because we've got some late fees, it's more than normal. It's $600 fines and costs. I'm assessing 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. We run that program 7 days a week. You pick which days you work. The days you pick, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. So as to the $600 on this one, go downstairs and talk about your options. Questions? Same place you're going to sign up for your days is where you talk about your options.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Counselor, are you ready on Fuller? Come on up, Mr. Fuller.
Sorry, we thought of back in my Mississippi, but apparently I can't handle 12 cases at once anymore.
Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, Alexander, United States Defender Service, PA 7455, Mr. Marcus Fuller, Mr. Fuller, please state your name for the record. The Marcus, Fuller.
Thank you. All right, counsel, I've got a plea agreement that says that we're going to add a count, misdemeanor count of use of ecstasy and the felony count would be dismissed, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Sir, do you understand the possible penalty for that added charge?
Yes.
And did you discuss with your attorney your rights and the options those rights give you? You know, your right to a trial and so on. You talked about all that today? You understand those rights and the options they give you? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
November 6, 2024, did you come in contact with Romulus PD?
Yes.
And at that time, had you been using ecstasy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, counsel?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Felonies dismissed. I'd like to send you for a pre-sentence investigation, but I'll give you a chance to talk me out of it if you want to try.
I agree with you, but Mr. Fuller had just spent a year going through Monroe County's drug rehab program.
Good, good.
Completed it successfully.
Awesome.
He honestly is thrilled with this offer.
Well, it's a good offer. Yeah. So how long you been clean now?
It saved my life, like honestly, like I got my family back, my family speaking to me and everything is going good. Working.
And have you thanked the court staff?
Yeah.
All right. Good, good. Would love to hear those stories. Love to hear those stories. All right, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where at and how long?
Place for design and so interior decorating, place on the installer.
How long you been with them?
For 3 years.
Good. So they hung with you all through that process? Good. You must be a good employee. All right, anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right. 12-month delayed sentence. You got to stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. I'm not charging you any costs. That's my present to you for 1 year sobriety. Have a great day. Keep up the good work. You're welcome.
I have an announcement on the burial. I'm going to waive, but I'm waiting to hear from Muhammad if he'll agree to take off the tether. I can make the case without him agreeing, but he's supposed to get back.
No, I got to give him a chance to respond anyhow. Okay. Tell him I'm ready to go.
Okay. That's been working in cases up to this.
Okay.
Minutes.
Yes. No, but.
This one over here. Gotcha. Still gotta go to bed at that.
Back.
Yes, there he is. I got him. I got him.
Yeah.
Counsel, I'm ready with Burton.
Yes, sir.
But now keep in mind, he probably won't hear you because my audio is bad this week. So speak up real loud.
I will use my church voice, Your Honor.
Counsel, go ahead and put your appearance on.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Alexandria Knights for Neighborhood Defender Service, P874455. Eric Burton, Mr. Burton, who is on Zoom. Will you please state your name for the record?
Eric Burton. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Burton. Mr. Burton, I understand that you are going to waive your preliminary exam today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the purpose for an exam?
Yes, sir.
You understand your rights and options? You've discussed those with your attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that if we enter the waiver today, your next court date will be at the circuit court level, not at the district court level where I'm at.
Yes, sir.
In understanding all of this, you want to waive.
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with the waiver, counsel?
I'm satisfied.
All right. I'll enter the waiver. Your next court date is going to be August 11 at 9 a.m.
Okay, yes, sir.
Counsel, continue bond?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, I'm going to ask you to sign the waiver form
Ladder.
after I'm done scribbling.
Did you say August 11th, sir?
August 11th. Also, if you would sign. All right. I think we're all set. Ms. Burton, any questions for your attorney?
Not at the moment, sir.
All right. You're good to go. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
So,
You're welcome.
Mr. Fish, what?
They pulled the file. It's
Oh,
not
did they?
very.
Oh, okay. All right. I told Barry Hill because somebody said something about that file, but I don't know what it was now.
Because they're here, he's working with the prosecutors because he.
Yes, he was waiting for the tether discussion. Yeah.
So I was told this weekend, somebody told me that I have my own sub channel on Law Nerds. I can't find it.
Your own channel?
Sub channel is what I called it. Of course, I don't know what a sub channel is. I just assumed if I typed in Law Nerds sub channel, something would come up. The internet's gonna get tired of me because there's nothing new lately.
Well, I feel like you're swearing that we've been getting a.
Oh, yeah, that's true. John was telling me yesterday, John and Sharon, when they were, that they saw another one. I'm like, who was it? John said, I don't know, just one of those guys you were yelling at. And Sharon said, no, it was Mr. Purcell. I said, my God, that case is older than hell.
Just put down on and it's huge. Oh, there you go.
What do you got?
This is Ron Folder, John.
Holder with an H?
Yes.
Come on up, Mr. Holder. All right, counsel, your appearance?
Doesn't have. Source designs. Yeah, they're from it.
What are we doing?
You have to adjourn it so that the company can hire an attorney or handle it themselves. Correct.
I don't have a company on a ticket. So the company's not gonna come in and represent Mr. Holder.
Well,
All these files are in the name of Ron Holder.
there's a Cleveland Switching Services, and there is a representative. So I am not a farming expert.
Okay, hold on a minute, because your paperwork's not matching mine. Okay, but the ticket was issued to Mr. Holder. So Mr. Holder is the defendant.
We have an issue, but we had worked this out. Mr. Holder had, his medical had expired, he got it that day.
Okay,
Prosecutor's willing to dismiss that misdemeanor.
okay,
If there's pleader responsible on the two civil infractions.
which is equipment and equipment. Okay, okay,
Per Mr. Holder's boss just showed up to court. What they got from the police department is different than this ticket, and it says those are waivable civil infractions, and they in fact got them fixed.
are you the boss?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Phil Hamer.
When you say you got something from the department, what did you get?
Got that one there, and then we.
Okay, no, you didn't get this ticket. He got these tickets. Okay,
We also got a citation from Michigan State Police about the issues that are on the ticket.
where's your citations?
That's what we're getting adjourned for. We're gonna bring it back in because I don't have it on me. I just ran up there when I heard what was going on.
Okay, so it sounds like two different entities got charged with the same thing. Is that what you're thinking?
Yes.
Right.
Go ahead. No, that's all right. Go ahead.
Seems to be that you're not going to provide some mercy here. I also need to recommend one of the two chiefs. Or two, it looks like he like the tickets. Unless I'm.
But until I got the other file, I don't know.
What's
Well,
that?
let's hold on. Let me see if we got it in your computer. No, well, but I don't want to take care of these files and then have your files pop up. So let me have give me your business name again.
Burn Industrial Services, but the ticket's under CSS Cleveland Switching.
CSS or
Cleveland Switching.
Cleveland Switch.
We have nothing for CSS.
Yeah, anything under Cleveland Switching?
No. No.
So we don't even have anything. So let's take care of these. If you get any more information about yours, then you come on up and talk and we'll remember. I won't remember tomorrow, but she'll remember. Yeah. Matter of fact, you can put something in the ROA.
So I don't know, Rob, I mean, Work out for us later and just get this.
Can you put something in the comments on this one, that there was something about Cleveland switching that's not in the system, but if it comes in, we're gonna dismiss it as per Mr. Kaplan? Right? As long as the same incident date shows up, we're just, no, I don't, that's all right. All right, that makes sense?
It's Cleveland switching, not the CSS.
Right. That was just his shorthand way to talk about them. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pay on the 2 equipment violations today and dismiss the misdemeanor.
Yeah, I was told that Mr. Taylor was.
I take care of
that.
Okay.
Okay,
All right, so,
thank you.
so Miss,
Dismiss.
and Mr. Holder's gonna plead responsible on the civil infractions that the boss is gonna pay today. We're all on the same page?
Okay, we're good.
We're on the same page? Okay.
If you have that break.
I don't need it. It's all on the record. I don't need it.
They are looking at the citation we got from Michigan State Police.
Yeah, and then we can deal with that. Yes. So when you come in, tell them you've got paperwork for Heather. All right. So go downstairs. My cashier will smile when she takes your money and you guys are out of here.
You guys have a great day.
You too. No, you're all right.
You guys have a great day.
too.
Sir, thank you again, sir.
No problem. Yep. Yeah, it's a confusing situation.
Okay, I think I'm fish you down.
Hey, here's I will stick up the budget.
Yep, I'm ready. Come on up. Gentlemen, your appearance is on the People versus Berry Hill.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people. Good morning, Your Honor. Alexander Ignatius, Service PA 7455, Ms. Sarah Berry Hill.
All right, what are we doing? What do we got today?
Your Honor, we are waiving the comparative exam, and we are asking the court to better that she is on. Obviously, we're not disputing the seriousness of these allegations. Primary concern for Ms. Berry Hill is that the tether is beyond uncomfortable. It's caused her serious skin irritation, and it's impeding with blood flow. When it's loose on her, it comes back as a tether violation. We've dealt with that twice.
Okay.
And I understand that, again, it's a serious charge, and it's not a unique charge in Ms. Berry Hill's history. However, Ms. Berry Hill's circumstances are, as far as travel and all that, are very constrained. She has 3 children under the age of 5 in the house, one of whom is profoundly autistic, and another one of whom has some serious other health issues. The 4.5-year-old is fine. But essentially, Ms. Berry Hill stays at home anyway, other than attending for children's medical needs.
Okay. What, is she on an alcohol tether or GPS tether? I don't even see it having been ordered. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay. Yeah, I got it. I had to find it. Okay, but here's my problem. The alcohol tether was ordered, so we knew she wasn't drinking while she was on bond. So unless we can replace the alcohol tether with something else, she's gonna have to suffer with the alcohol tether, at least until she gets to her AOI and makes the argument in front of another court. So, I mean, she could do some kind of daily testing or something like that if she can find some place to set it up.
Well, then we'll look into that on our end, and, hopefully we'll be able to address that for the AOI.
Yeah, I mean, well, if I bind it over, I have lost jurisdiction, but I'm willing to entertain a bond request. All right, so I don't think we got the waiver out of the way yet. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you today? You understand the purpose for a preliminary exam? You understand that if you waive the exam, that means your next court date's downtown at the circuit level, not here at the district court where we're at. Understanding all of that, are you waiving freely and voluntarily? Gentlemen, are you satisfied that the waiver was proper?
Yeah. Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll continue bond as is, subject to some future development. And I'll ask counsel and Ms. Berryhill to sign. Signature, Joe. Ms. Berryhill, you owe us money on some civil infractions, $652. One ticket from Huron, 2022 impeding traffic, and one from Romulus, 2023 distracted driving. Are you in a position to set some kind of regular payments up on these?
I can set record payments, just ask for, I get social security from my son, I can't work or anything, so if we could just.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what, our only option is not payment plan. So go downstairs and talk about your options. Just, I need a commitment from you that before you leave the building, you'll have a plan to get these cleared up. Okay. Do that on the, downstairs on your way out. You're welcome. You as well. Are we ready on Washington?
After spending weeks behind bars, Mr. Aiken appeared before the judge hoping for a chance to go home. His attorney argued that he had been in custody since early July, had a steady job in irrigation, and that the complainant was no longer interested in pursuing the case. The defense asked the court to replace the cash bond with a personal bond. After questioning Mr. Aiken about his employment and background, the judge agreed to modify the bond. Before releasing him, however, the judge issued one final warning. If he violated any bond condition, he would be sent straight back to jail